for a unique adventure. If you're planning to ride the Amtrak Auto Train, buckle up for a journey that blends convenience, relaxation, and a touch of spontaneity. Here's how our trip unfolded in January of 2025, with tips to make your experience smooth and enjoyable. To snag the coveted 6 p.m. dinner time slot instead of the later 8 p.m., we arrived at the Sanford station bright and early at 11 a.m. for an 11:30 a.m. check-in opening. While the process wasn't as seamless as we'd hoped, the line didn't begin to move until 12:15. It was an opportunity to embrace the adventure mindset. Pack your patience, and if you're first in line, bring something to pass the time, like a good book or a podcast. Once the line started moving, we drove our car to the designated area. Before you hand over your keys, grab anything you'll need on the train: snacks, books, medications, or travel essentials. Leave the rest in your car for a clutter-free ride. If you arrive early, there's a food truck stationed outside for a quick bite. Feeling adventurous? Sanford offers a free shuttle to downtown, bringing with excellent restaurants and charming sights. Inside the station, after you've checked in with the helpful staff, you can check out the gift shop, which is brimming with all kinds of goodies and essentials you might need. But keep in mind, they run a lot higher than at a standard store.
There you go. You're good. Do you need your receipt? Yes, please.
You know, in here,
Yes, I know.
and I felt them.
It's early, and the majority of the people have not shown up yet. So we'll head outside to check out the boarding area.
Outside the station by the flagpoles. Inside the station is a gift shop for snacks and souvenirs. Available for food purchases. Outside the station by the flagpoles. Thank you.
In addition to the free shuttle, the city of Sanford provides free lockers for Amtrak passengers so you can stow your carry-on bags while you explore this picturesque town. With a couple of hours to spare before boarding, we hopped on the free shuttle and ventured into downtown Sanford. The visitor center's staff were warm and welcoming, and we quickly secured our belongings in lockers before heading out.
I mean, do you guys want to do this? Yeah, that's fine. They've got hot dogs and free.
For lunch, we chose a cozy German restaurant on the main street across from the visitor center, where we indulged in hearty classics like schnitzel and sauerbraten. Afterward, we enjoyed a leisurely stroll through the town's historic streets before catching our shuttle back to the station. True to Amtrak tradition, boarding was slightly delayed, which was supposed to start at 2:30 p.m., but by 4 p.m. we were comfortably settled in our rooms. These private spaces were clean and cozy, offering a relaxing retreat for the overnight journey. Dinner on board the train was a delight. The earlier reservation allowed us to unwind without feeling rushed. The next morning, we had two breakfast options, a sit-down meal in the dining car or a grab-and-go breakfast in the lounge. We opted for the dining car, where the hot meals were offered, though simple, were satisfying and a great start to the day. Riding the auto train is more than just a means of transportation. It's a mini adventure. With a bit of planning and an open mind, you'll enjoy the quirks and charms of this unique travel experience. Whether exploring Sanford's treasures or settling into your private train room, you're in for a memorable ride.